Breaking news. Welcome to today's headlines. To install Emir of Abia State is a declaration of jihad on Igbos. Igbo youth speaks. To install Emir of Abia State is a declaration of jihad on Igbos. Igbo youth speaks. To my dear listeners, from wherever you're listening from, please stay tuned. Igbo Youth Group, under the aegis of Coalition of Southeast Youth Leaders, COSEOL, has described the alleged plot by a Fulani group to install Emir of Abia State as jihad on Igbo people. In a statement released by the group's President General, Goodluck Ibem, COSEOL warned those that are behind the alleged plan of the Fulani group to install an Emir of Abia State to desist from such plans, adding that such expensive joke is a declaration of jihad on Igbo in Abia State. According to the statement, the youth group said that it is surprising that the Fulani who came to Labar as strangers have perfected plans to take over Abia by installing an Emir, which literally means Abia will be a Fulani territory. We warn the plotters and organizers of such expensive jokes to immediately leave Abia State with their evil plot back to where they came from. Abia and Southeast are not a Fulani land, and we don't want to hear such again. Speaking on the matter, the paramount ruler of Abiriba Ancient Kingdom, His Royal Majesty Leze Kalu Abdul Enachiokin Abaribe, described the matter as a strange ploy for something sinister and beyond the ordinary. He added that the Abia State government has everything it needs to curb the developing menace. Eze Odu further charged the government to deal with the situation before it escalates to something serious. In the monarch's words, that is a signal for something else. It is beyond what you can see now with your eyes. It is a very serious issue. So anybody trying to do that is somebody that has already dined with the devil and is prepared to show the world that he has dined with the devil. The state government is in a very good position to stop it. It is very strange in Igbo land and should not be tolerated by any sane person. Ezekalu Ogbu further explained that an Emir is the ruler of a conquered territory. Can we now assume that Abia is now a conquered territory? However, the Chairman Board of Trustees, Igbo think tank, Professor Madubu Ekelezeibe, dismissed the claims as a joke taken too far. He advised those that are behind the idea to completely jettison it, as they will not be able to withstand the ripple effect it might bring. Professor Lezeibe further stated that Abia allegedly has Eze, who cannot share his kingdom with any Fulani Emir because Enyimba City is not part of northern Nigeria. Igbo Youth Group, under the aegis of Coalition of Southeast Youth Leaders, COSEOL, has described the alleged plot by a Fulani group to install Emir of Abia State, as jihad on Igbo people. In a statement released by the group's President General, Goodluck Ibem Kosel, warned those that are behind the alleged plan of the Fulani group to install an Emir of Abia State to desist from such plans, adding that such expensive joke is a declaration of jihad on Igbo in Abia State. According to the statement, the youth group said that it is surprising that the Fulani who came to Labar as strangers have perfected plans to take over Abba by installing an emir, which literally means Abba will be a Fulani territory. We warn the plotters and organizers of such expensive joke to immediately leave Abia State with their evil plots back to where they came from. Abba land southeast are not a Fulani land, and we don't want to hear such again. Speaking on the matter, the paramount ruler of Abiriba Asiat Kingdom is Royal Majesty Leze Kalu Odbul, and now Chicken Abaribe, described the matter as a strange ploy for something sinister and beyond the ordinary. He added that the Abia state government has everything it needs to curb the developing menace. Ezeobu further charged the government to deal with the situation before it escalates to something serious. Now I've come to the end of our today's news. Please do drop by at the comment section and let's know what your views